What's up? Welcome back to the channel. So here's the second video of the BMW. We are going to pop the oil filter out and put some oil around the O-ring and then fill it up with some oil. Start it up, take it for a drive, check everything out. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully, like I said before, I don't explode or the oil pan doesn't rip off or something catastrophic happens. So let's get started. Just in case, we'll put a little bit on there. Just get some residual oil, rub it on there. We're gonna throw in some Castrol Edge 5W40. We're gonna add a little bit into the oil filter because why not? Might as well. So, and then we'll fill the motor with oil. So let's get going.
I think there's a shear point where you're 616.3 data to look at beyond that. We can look at cylinder to cylinder, but that will lower the butterflies in a good position and they are wide open. So, and I don't think there's as much going on as fast.
Alright, so we got 7 quarts in it. That's what the manual says, what they say online. So let's check the oil, glance under the car, then we'll start it up. We're good to go. Alright, let's get a startup. We'll check under the hood, and then under the car, and then go for a drive. I don't think I see anything on the ground. No leaks up in here. So let's go for a drive. All right, let's go for a drive. I'm gonna try to drive holding my big ass camera. So we'll see how that goes. We've got some hardcore steering wheel shake. Can you hear that? Uh-oh. Alright, let's give this a shot. I'm actually pretty nervous about it, so I don't know how this is gonna go. I forgot to push out my passenger side mirror, so I can't see. Alright. Reverse out of the driveway went good. Now forward. Let's see. Full lock. Stuff just had to settle down a little bit and go around the block, see how stuff goes. Yeah, scoot over. I wonder what the check engine light's for. Running smooth. She turns fine. Maybe we'll make a right hand turn up here since we'll only be doing lefts. NASCAR style. Only left. So let's see. Hopefully the wheel doesn't like fly off right here and go skidding into the control arm flies down and skid into that Suburban. That was stop recording because those people are outside. I'm still weird about people being around whenever I record. And then I was going through their cul-de-sac. Whenever people go through, just turn around in my cul-de-sac. I don't know why, but it annoys the shit out of me. So it's like, man, just minding my own business. Not recording y'all some weird shit. I think this was a good little test drive. Got her warmed up. Everything seems fine. Let's check the under the hood one more time. Looks like a freaking something bad happened here, but I got some concrete cleaner. None of that's fresh from just a minute ago. It's all old. Hopefully we're good to go. Those of you that stuck around for both videos and watched most of the first one, I appreciate it. Next for this thing, I think it has coilovers, so I'll lower it a little bit more. I think I want to sand it down, get it all smooth, and possibly start to wrap it myself. Before that, I also have a front bumper, M style, side skirts and rear bumper, which aren't M style, that I would like to put on there, and then wrap everything. So wheels, maybe some type of exhaust, maybe turbo eventually. Let me know what you guys think. So like, comment, subscribe. This is Speed Vision. Take it easy.